Good evening. Thanks for joining us. A 25-year-old cold case out of Delaware County, Oklahoma is closed.
Authorities now say that case is solved. Peggy Sweeten was 52 years old when she disappeared in January 1998. Her husband at the time, Jim Sweeten, was the only suspect in Peggy's disappearance and presumed death. He killed himself days after investigators searched an area of Grand Lake near the couple's former home. Today, authorities with the Delaware County District Attorney's Office issued a statement saying the case was solved. The findings were released after a review of the case file. Sheriff James Beck said the only suspect was Jim Sweeten, and based on all the evidence collected, officials agree it was a homicide and the primary suspect is dead. In April, a dive team searched an area of Grand Lake near the couple's former home and found a 55-gallon drum submerged in the water. Weeks later, divers pulled that barrel from the lake, hoping to find traces of the missing woman. Jim Sweeten lived in Weslaco, Texas at the time. Officials searched Grand Lake and found the barrel. Days after authorities pulled the barrel from the lake, Jim Sweeten called police and told them he planned to harm himself. They responded to an RV park where he lived with his current wife. That's where they found him, dead from a gunshot wound. Officials scrubbed Sweeten's phone for any evidence connected to Peggy's disappearance. Authorities figured out Sweeten had been monitoring the search for his ex-wife.